Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see an example of graphical user interface. In order to do that one, first we have to import this. Import javax dot swing dot j capital O option pane. Okay, this is the one first we have to import. And inside of this main function, I'm going to do a operation like addition operation. To do that, I'm going to first introduce string and let's say first number. For the first number, I create a shorthand form fn. First number, fn for first number, and I'm going to put this statement j option pane dot show input dialog and first dialog is going to ask us to enter the first name, actually enter the first number, enter first number and I'm going to copy paste this one right here because I'm going to add two numbers. So this is for the first number. We need something for the second number, so I paste it right here. For the second number it's sn and this one is second number, and after that we are going to create an equation to add the numbers. So I'm going to introduce integer type of variable, integer num1, that is equal to integer dot p parse int fn and a semicolon, and copy this one and paste it here. This is num2 and this one is sn. Okay, now we are going to create the equation for the addition. Int sum is equal to num1 plus num2, and finally we are going to create a statement j option pane dot show message dialog, and here I put null, and it's going to print out the answer is the answer is plus sum and comma the title comma j option pane dot plain dot message. Okay, plain message. That's it. Now let's go and run this one. There's no error showing, so it's good. Let's run this one. Proceed, and we are going to see something like this pop up. Enter first number. In this one I'm going to put 10 and okay, and it's going to ask us enter second number. Let's put 20 and press OK, and here it says answer is 30. Okay, to leave a gap I should have left a gap right here like this, so it will come up with a gap. Let's run this one again. Let's put some different number. Let's say 7. Okay, Let's put the second number 8. Okay, and the answer is 15. And that's how we use the graphical user interface. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and access them, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.